Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access your Gmail without any verification code and how to do this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you like and then search for Google account recover. Just click on how to recover your Google account or Gmail, and then just scroll down a bit, and then under can't sign in for another reason, just click on this blue line which says get help signing in. After this, select any issue you want. For my case, I'm using you forgot your password. Just select this and then scroll down a bit till you find tips to complete account recovery steps. Click on this. Now here you'll be loaded into this web page. Just enter your email and then click next. Now it will ask for password, but just you have to click on try another way, and then it will send a code to your phone which is already linked to your Gmail. Just enter the code in the following box and just click next. It will automatically be signed into your account. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.